Okay, are you guys hungry?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so let's create a crazy recipe together. A funky mix. Everybody, funky mix.
Funky mix.
Nice. Okay, so we've quickly reviewed our cooking verbs, mix, fry, and other cooking verbs right here. And here we've got food. We have sweet potatoes, scallops, different food, okay? So, this recipe will be in, 4 parts, okay? So, part number 1 is the
First. Second. Third.
Yeah. And
Fourth.
finally, everything. We'll see what that's about later on. Okay, so these guys are a team. In your classroom, of course, create, I'll say maybe a maximum of 3 or 4 teams, okay? You don't want this to take too long for your kids. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. So, how that works is, first, Clémence, pick a cooking verb. What is it? Show it to the camera.
Grill.
Grill. Okay, right on the board. So, our recipe is first grill. Oh, wait. Pick a...
Bread.
Okay, grilled bread. Sounds really good. Okay. So, let's repeat. First, grilled bread. Okay. Second, what are we going to do in our recipe? Leonie, choose a cooking verb.
Bake.
Bake. And a food item.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes, that works. Okay. Second, bake sweet potatoes.
Second,
bake
bake
sweet
sweet
potatoes. Okay. Third, Clémence.
Boil.
Okay. Third. And what food are we going to boil? Mussels. Mussels. Like mussels. Mussels. Okay. So, okay. That's a weird recipe. First, grilled bread. Second, baked sweet potatoes. Third, boiled mussels. And finally, with all of this, what are we going to do? Leonie, pick the last cooking verb. Oh!
Mix.
And finally, mix everything. Ooh, so we'll mix boiled mussels, baked sweet potatoes, and grilled bread. Do you think it's a good recipe?
I don't think so.
No, well, maybe we should try it. So, depending on what food you put on, or what cooking verbs you use, your recipe can get really crazy. One thing I suggest is after this, kids present it, and maybe that can be a recipe for the menu in a restaurant that you create. The choices are yours, so have fun with that. Bye.